Tsunami warning issued for Jamaica. A tsunami warning has been issued for Jamaica following a magnitude 7.6 earthquake that struck in the Caribbean Sea between the coast of Honduras and the Cayman Islands on Tuesday night. National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration NOAA in the US issued the warning for Jamaica, also placing a warning on Cuba, Mexico, Honduras and Belize. Prime Minister Andrew Holness said local agencies such as ODPEM are working with international partners and are keenly monitoring the situation. Meanwhile, Mayor of Kingston Delroy Williams in a post on Twitter encouraged all persons in flood-prone and no-line areas to stay tuned to the media for updates. He said Kingston was likely to be affected. A tsunami is a series of waves, and the time between waves can be 5 minutes to 1 hour. The hazard may persist for many hours or longer after the initial wave. The estimated time of arrival for the initial tsunami wave for the places within the threatened regions are on the screen. Actual arrival times may differ, and the initial wave may not be the largest. The earthquake struck 44 kilometers east of Great Swan Island, Honduras. According to the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center, tsunami waves reaching 0.3 to 1 meters above the tide level are possible for areas along the coast of Belize, Cuba, Honduras, Mexico, the Cayman Islands and Jamaica. A tsunami advisory was in effect for Puerto Rico and the US Virgin Islands. Should the predictions hold true and Jamaica is in fact affected, I trust and hope that the damage will not be extensive and there will be no loss of life. And also for all the other countries in the region that are currently under the watch, I trust that there will be very little or no damage in those countries. I'll keep you posted as soon as more information become possible, guys. And please be alert, especially if you are living in low-lying coastal areas prone to flooding. This video was made possible through the continued generosity of my patrons. To become a patron, follow the link in the description below.
The struggle is real. Now watch, you know, a rapper crapper they represent for teach them. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, so make sure you subscribe. The channel is real. Come back for more.